Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Now this is going to be uploaded from the phone because my laptop, it's kind of getting really overheated with the editings and stuff and whatnot. So I just decided let's do it on the phone. We cannot stop the show from going on just because the laptop is messing up right now. All right, so I'm on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, what I want to say is that SLP is making something known as 3 black rows. So what you see right over here, if I take the brush, you can see that these 3 candles back to back are bearish patterns, and they're known as 3 black rows. Okay, so when you see a 3 black rows like this one, it means it's a bearish continuation pattern. So let's go to Google right now and let me search for the 3 black rows, right? 3 black rows right over there. So we do have it in the history, and I'm going to bring in the image right over there. So here we are, and if I zoom in right here, you can see these are 3 candles back to back, and they mean that probably the trend is going to continue to the downside. Now one of my favorite images is this one, because this one actually is quite accurate. So I just want you to notice that when you see the 3 black rows to the downside and you see a green candle a little bit to the upside, that is like a little bit of a false move to the upside and then goes down. So what you might see back to the SLP chart right over here is that all you do, if I zoom in once again, is you try to go to the downside, and then from here you make a little bit of a pull to the upside, false pull, and then you continue to the downside as well. So be careful. One more thing that I'm going to actually tell you is that Bitcoin is making a bear flag on the 1 hour time frame. So let me actually just go on and switch on the 1 hour time frame, and this is going to be good because a lot of my followers are actually using their devices, their phone right now for trading as well. So I just wanted to do, I do trade on the laptop mostly. That's actually good, but I think it should be also done on the phone as well, because it actually makes it easier to see how I actually play with the phone settings as well. So what you see right now is definitely a pull to the downside, and then you made a bear flag right over there. The breakout of it takes you down to this level, which is going to be $39,000. Okay, so be very careful. As Bitcoin is moving down, SLP is going to move down. I just want to actually confirm if SLP along the way has a bear. Yes, it has a bear flag. So the next technical target, and I told you guys, there is this trend line that actually is taken away, which I'm going to bring back. A trend line like this might be lost. Okay, so you are very near to the apex, and there's a good chance that you break to the downside, because even SLP is making a bear flag right now. So what you see is you went to the downside, you made a pull like this one, and that actually is a bear flag. So the technical target out of this bear flag is actually going to be from the top here to the bottom right over there, and you are breaking out of it. So this is where you're breaking out, and it takes you all the way down to 134, and that's gonna be like a drop nearly from there to there. That's gonna be like 2-3% drop. Okay, not very massive, not very big, but just good enough for SLP to actually lose the trend line. Do you see that? It is gonna lose the trend line, which you have been maintaining for a long time. So that's it for today's SLP update. Do tell me in the comments if you didn't have any issues with this video recording, or was it good, or did you have problem with it? Is it okay with the phone? As long as my laptop is not behaving. I just want to know this one, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.